Hi guys, I'm back to make a video again. Friends, today I'll discuss with you about Patanjali COVID-19 vaccine and our tablets. Patanjali launched Coronil and Swasari. What it claims is the Ayurvedic cure for treating COVID-19, which they said has been shown 100% favorable results during clinical trials on affected patients at Patanjali Yogpeeth in Haridwar. Acharya Balakrishna, MD of Patanjali Ayurved, claimed that an Ayurvedic medicine developed by the company has been able to cure COVID-19 patients within 3 to 14 days. Ministry of Ayush said it has taken cognizance of news floating in media about Ayurvedic medicines developed by treatment of COVID-19 by Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited. However, facts of the claim and details of the stated scientific studies are not known to the Ministry of, and complete details of the supposed medicine have been sought, it said in a statement. Baba Ramdev, who is the well known for Patanjali Ayurvedic, also claims that there are no side effects of the corona medicines he is launching. A total of 100 coronavirus positive patients were recurred. The controlled clinical trial, Patanjali claims of which 95 were studied, one patient was lost on the following up details, and four patients withdraw consent between the study, claims Patanjali. Exclusion criteria for Patanjali clinical study plan. First one, severely symptomatic patients, SaO2 less than 90%, acute respiratory distress syndrome, life expectancy less than 1 year due to other comorbid conditions. Inclusions criteria for Patanjali clinical study planned. RT-PCR confirmed cases, age 15 to 60 years of age. Two random groups were formed, placebo arm and treatment arm for the clinical study plan. Patanjali claims 100% recovery from coronavirus infection within 7 days treatment with Patanjali Ayurvedic medicines. HSCRP and IL-6 levels are reduced in a treatment group as compared to the placebo group. Ayurvedic treatment showed weaker IL-6 response, impacting lesser chance of the cytotoxin storm. We will also launch an e-commerce app for the delivery of the medicines within 2 hours for the order placement, says Acharya Balakrishna, MD of Patanjali Ayurvedic. We have used minerals with herbs to make this medicine even more effective, says Acharya Balakrishna, MD of Patanjali Ayurvedic Group Private Limited. Patanjali claims that its corona medicine kit can also be taken as prevention for coronavirus. The corona kit will be made available at rupees 545, says Acharya Balakrishna. The corona kit will have medicines for 30 days, that means 1 month. We are testing the medications on mice and rats, says Patanjali. The medicine kits is not available anywhere for now, will be made available at Patanjali stores in a week, says Baba Ramdev. We started working on corona medicines from December 2019, says Patanjali. We have prepared the first Ayurvedic clinically controlled research evidence and trial based medicine for COVID 19. We conducted a clinical case study and clinical controlled trial and found 69% recovered in 3 days and 100 patients were recovered in 7 days, says Baba Ramdev. We will even conduct tests on people on ventilators, says Baba Ramdev. This is not an immunity booster but a coronavirus cure, says Baba Ramdev. An app will be launched for the delivery of the corona kit, says Baba Ramdev. 0% death rate and 100% recovery rate has been observed, says Baba Ramdev. 69% of the people recovered within 3 days. We have done every research and will answer all the questions, says Baba Ramdev. Patanjali has claimed that the controlled clinical trials was jointly conducted by Patanjali Research Institute in Haridwar of Uttarakhand, and National Institute of Medical Sciences, Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan. We appointed a team of scientists after COVID-19 outbreak. Firstly, the simulation was done and compounds were identified which can crush the virus and stop its spread in the body. Then we conducted a clinical case study on hundreds of positive patients and we have got 100% favorable results, says Balakrishna, the MD of Patanjali. After taking the medicine, COVID 19 patients recovered in 3 to 14 days and then tested negative. So we can say the cure for COVID is possibly through Ayurveda. We are performing controlled clinical trials only. The next 4 to 5 days, evidence and data will be released by us. Balakrishna had earlier this month claimed. Friends, this is the Wikipedia about Patanjali's Ayurvedic COVID 19 medicine. Treatment will be launched Corona kit for rupees 545 friends. Friends, this is the kit Divya Corona kit. You will be available in an app which is said in the video. Friends, you can see in this video and subscribe to my channel friends. Then only I can keep more videos and you may get as notifications. Thank you friends. Subscribe to my channel friends. Subscribe to my channel friends.